Hello everyone, I'm Hooman Sarafrazi, IT Security Engineer, Python course lecturer. In this tutorial, we talk about top 14 uses of Python programming language. Use of Python in jobs for personal, small, medium, large, and enterprise projects.
Langstick.
Top uses of Python: automations, machine learning or artificial intelligence, robotic, data science, data processing, and data security. In develop for web, game, graphical user interface, and any software. Internet of Things, IoT, calculations, system administration, network communication, network crawler, and network security. Most powerful uses of Python: automations for any work, Internet of Things, IoT, machine learning or artificial intelligence, robotic for hardware calibration and config, in data science for data analysis or mining and data visualization, in data processing for text, image, sound, and video processing, and in data security for data encryption. Calculations, scientific and numeric, system administration for many operating systems. Please write your questions and suggestions at the comment section. Watch the tutorial again for more mastery. Next tutorial, Python features. Don't forget to like and subscribe.